let's talk the skincare deal of the freaking century. It is the Skin Enhancing Kit. It is available when you sign up with Farmasi. So signing up means $19.99. You get a box of samples, business materials. You can do what you want with them. There's no auto ships. There's no annual fees. There's no monthly fees. You don't have to sell anything. If you want to keep your 50% discount, you can do $125 every rolling 3 months. Otherwise, literally nothing happens. Okay. This Skin Enhancing Kit is thebomb.com. Okay. If you're 30 or over, you need this. And actually in your 20s, I'd like for you to be a little bit more proactive. Okay. This is my skin at 41 years old. I didn't always take care of it, so you can see the discoloration. My skin is actually very bright and red generally. Skincare is changing that. I can help you with oily, dry, dark circles, anti-aging. I mean, like all the things. But the Skin Enhancing Bundle, it's $140 when you join for $19.99. So you have to do it all at once. So we're going to call it $160, right? Plus tax and shipping, I guess. A little bit more. But 2 skincare lines, you guys. One for brightening, one for anti-aging. Let me show them to you, okay? This is the Lumi Radiance line. One, it has sand lily and algae extract, which does all kinds of yummy things for your skin. You get an exfoliating cleanser, a brightening cream with SPF 22. Please tell me you're wearing the SPF. I want you to wear the SPF. You get eye cream, a serum, you get a bar soap, and you get the tonic. All of this is going to help brighten and even out your skin tone. I think all of us would say, yes, I want that. Me. My number one complaint though about my skin is age. I don't want to look 41, right? I want my skin to be bright and youthful. That's what the Lumi Radiance line is going to be. But this next one that I'm going to show you, it's going to make you look younger. It's an age reversist line, okay? So here's what you get in it. You actually get 2 cleansers with it. You get an exfoliating cleanser and a gentle cleanser. I would rotate these 2. You get moisturizer, serum, a eye cream. You get a tonic spray. And this entire line smells like sweet tarts. I'm just going to throw that out there because I love sweet tarts, okay? You get the most amazing all-night sleep mask. It's not like a mask, though. It's not going to be gross and everything everywhere. This is like a... there you go. It's like a gel. It goes on, soaks in, does all kinds of great goodness through the night. It increases collagen. Oh, it smells so good. It increases collagen by 52%, you guys. And that's not all. You also get this little gem. This is a age reverses ready to go kit. These are 30-day supply. So you can use them every day or you can use them when you really want to look fancy. It will be immediate results of wrinkles. So if your face always looks like this, not just when you make this face, put them on there and you'll see them slowly go away. I legit did a video with my mother and people were like, I can see the lines on your head going away. It was so crazy. This is a temporary thing. It'll last you all day, but it's amazing, you guys. But you get both of these skincare lines for $140 when you join. Are you ready to join? Just raise your hand. Let me know. I think that you should, just to get this skincare at such an incredible price, because to buy both these lines, $371, you're getting it for $140. That's a good deal. I think it's a good deal.